This video is review of Fast Retailing's fiscal year 2025 first quarter financial results, period from September 2024 to November 2024. Fast Retailing is a Japanese multinational retail holding company that operates and owns a variety of apparel brands. It is best known as the parent company of Uniqlo, one of the world's largest fashion retailers. FY 2025 first quarter results. In the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, the Fast Retailing Group reported revenue totaling 895.1 billion yen, a 10.4% increase year-on-year, business profit totaling 156.9 billion yen, an 11% increase, and operating profit totaling 157.5 billion yen, 7.4% increase. The revenue result came in slightly below the business estimates announced in October 2024, while the operating profit figure was roughly in line with those estimates. FY 2025 first quarter main points. In the first quarter of fiscal 2025, Uniqlo Japan generated strong sales and Uniqlo operations in Southeast Asia, India and Australia, North America and Europe continued to expand favorably. These operations are driving Fast Retailing Group growth right now, so the group as a whole was able to report increases in first quarter revenue and profits, despite slow sales from Uniqlo in mainland China and GU. However, struggling Uniqlo business in China have had an impact on overall performance. Fast Retailing has been working to establish a commercial business that is less vulnerable to changes in temperature, primarily at Uniqlo Japan. There were large increases in sales of cashmere, puff tech, and other items promoted heavily, and the product and marketing strategies proved successful. Awareness of the Uniqlo brand rose even further, thanks to even more successful store openings in new areas in North America and Europe. Compared with business estimates, sales for the group as a whole came in below expectations, but Fast Retailing says the extent of the shortfall was such that it could be readily made up from the second quarter onwards. Uniqlo business in China is a key to recover and achieve the original annual forecast. Uniqlo Japan overview. The first quarter performance for Uniqlo Japan segment, which reported an increase in revenue and a considerable expansion in profits. Uniqlo Japan revenue increased 9% year-on-year to 266.6 billion yen, and operating profit increased by 12.1% to 52.1 billion yen. The segment outstripped business estimates thanks to strong sales in September, after successfully compiled and marketed product mixes that better suited the unseasonably hot weather, as well as strong sales in November on the back of cooler weather and extremely buoyant 40th Uniqlo Thank You Festival sale. Uniqlo International overview. Uniqlo International reported an increase in revenue and a rise in profit, with revenue climbing 13.7% year-on-year to 501.7 billion yen, and operating profit expanding 7.4% to 83.5 billion yen. Performance for the Uniqlo International segment as a whole fell business estimates due to a lower-than-expected performance in Greater China, which reported a decline in revenue and a large contraction in profit. Uniqlo operations in Southeast Asia, India and Australia, North America and Europe all reported large revenue and profit gains that were largely in line with plan, and those operations continue to perform strongly. FY 2025 full year estimate. Business forecasts for the full year through August 31st, 2025. First quarter and December sales came in slightly below plan, while operating profit has been tracking roughly in line with business estimates. While Uniqlo Greater China and GU are tracking below plan, Uniqlo Japan is tracking above plan, and Uniqlo operations in Southeast Asia, India and Australia, Europe and North America are generating the strong performances as anticipated. As a result, full-year estimates remain unchanged. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen-based chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 49,620 yen as of January 28th. And the US dollar stock price is $31.8 as of January 27th. Current PBR is 7.12, and PER is 39.5. Dividend yield is 0.91%. Compared to the last few years, PBR, PER are higher, and the stock price is relatively higher. Regarding dividend yield, stock price has risen, but so has dividend amount, resulting in increased dividend yield compared to the past. Conclusion. Fast retailing stock price plunged after this financial results announcement, but it is recovering recently. In the first quarter, both revenue and profit increased compared to the same period last year, but revenue was below the forecast. Uniqlo Japan performed well, but Uniqlo International business in China saw a significant drop in profits. Not just in the clothing industry, but the Chinese economy is in a slump, so overall consumption in China is declining. Trends in China and strategies for Uniqlo business are likely to affect future business performance.